Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin with focused, necessary checks. Confirm the Wi-Fi SSID and password are correct, and that the router shows internet. Then toggle airplane mode on for 3 seconds and back off to force a network reset. Once done, restart the phone and the router, power off, wait 30 seconds, power on, because transient DHCP or routing glitches often clear on reboot. Make sure Bluetooth isn't hogging profiles, and watch the phone's Wi-Fi icon for an IP address before moving on. Next, you tackle configuration. Go to Wi-Fi settings, long press the network and choose Forget, then reconnect to get a fresh DHCP lease. If DHCP still fails, set a manual IP within your router subnet, choose an unused address, and enter gateway and DNS to avoid lease problems. Change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass ISP DNS failures. Also inspect APN for cellular data and disable any VPN or proxy, because they can intercept traffic and create a connected but no internet state. Finish by applying definitive solutions. If issues persist, reset network settings. This clears Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile settings, so backup saved passwords first. Update Android system and router firmware. Outdated firmware often breaks compatibility. Test internet on another device to isolate the problem to phone versus network. If still stuck, reboot into safe mode to disable third-party apps, then recheck connectivity. Troubleshooting tip. If safe mode fixes it, uninstall recently installed apps one at a time until normal internet returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.